Alright, Rusty, let's give you a video tutorial on how to rip a DVD using Handbrake. First thing you need to do is insert your DVD. As you can see, I've inserted mine. It shows up here in the upper right hand corner of my screen. And then we need to open up Handbrake. If you have yours in the applications folder, that's fine. I have it on the dock, but just go ahead and open up Handbrake. It's going to open up this menu in order for you to go ahead and pick the source that you would like to rip from, which is your DVD. So you can click on that there, or go ahead and click on it over here and go ahead and click open, and it's going to scan your DVD in order to find the correct title in order to rip that onto your computer. Okay, let's go over a few settings while that's scanning in order to find, tweak how you would like to rip this onto your computer. So you have a few settings here. First of all, you can choose where you would like your file to end up at. I have it set to save onto the desk top at the moment. And then you can click a few sources over here. These are some presets, and the presets allow you to change the format and settings based on some popular options that people like to use. But we're going to go ahead and just use a very universal option for your computer, okay? And we're going to talk about quality down here. Alright, so now that we have the file searched through, or your DVD searched through, now it shows that it has the correct title because it shows the, it's over 2 hours 19 and it's in 18 seconds. You don't have to change any of this up here, but if you'd like to change where this movie will be saved to, feel free to put it like in your folder that says movies, or just right there on the desktop, okay? Alright, now we need to change some things. You could either keep it in this preset here, like a regular, or you can switch to Apple. You can go to the iPhone mode, and as you can see, these things are switching down here, Apple TV or Apple Universal, okay? As you can see, some of these options change here, but it's completely up to you what you would like to do, okay? So, like, you have Classic, Apple TV Classic, iPhone Legacy. I mean, there's all these different options. I usually like to use regular, normal, okay? I like to keep it on MP4 file because that's the standard. And then right here, I usually bump this up to somewhere here in the middle. Like, sometimes I go all the way up to 51. But, this quality right here determines the consistency of the quality throughout the entire film. So, for instance, throughout the frames of your film, the quality may increase or decrease. So you can increase the quality right here, or you can select, how large your film would like to be as your file on your computer. So if you don't want the file to be over like 1,000 megabytes or 700 or something like that. You can also select average bit rate if you'd like to. The preset's 1500, which is pretty good, but I usually like to just do constant quality right here, and then go ahead and keep this around 20 to 30. And then you could go ahead, and I usually like to keep the codec for the file to be at H264, and keep this the same as source, okay? And then that's your video settings. Audio settings you really don't have to mess with. Subtitles you don't have to do anything with unless you want to. I just usually like to edit right here in the video about what type of settings I want. And then from there you can go ahead and click start, and the process of ripping that DVD to your computer starts. Right here puts it in your queue. It's starting right there. And as you can see, the file is already on my desktop, and it will begin the ripping process, okay?